Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for tech tips and tutorials. Ready to give your Android device a cool iPhone-style upgrade? Let's dive into how to get the dynamic island on Android. Whether you want to impress your friends or just enjoy a new way to interact with your phone, this guide will show you how to get dynamic island working smoothly on your Android device. Let's jump in and get that iPhone vibe on your Android. So first, you need to download an app called Dynamic Spot. Open this app and give some necessary permissions. In the first option, you need to give permission to all the apps so that it can read the notification of all the apps present in your device. In the second option, you need to enable this Dynamic Spot option on your device so that it can work smoothly. Now click on the third option and click on Next, and it will redirect you to your settings. Turn on this Dynamic Spot accessibility. Now here, the steps of giving the permissions are over, and you are ready to launch this application on your device. Now click on the Done option. There are a lot of options provided to customize it. Now click on the Position option and set your dynamic island's position. So this option helps you to set your dynamic island's position in the right place according to your device notch and according to your liking. There are other setting options provided to customize your dynamic island. For example, here, they have provided the color option so that you can customize your dynamic island according to your preferred color. If you go to General Settings option and scroll down a bit, then here you'll find one option that says Show Always. That is Live Activities. Now turn this option on and choose your preferred shape from here. Now click OK. So if you have been waiting for that sleek iPhone style feature on your Android, now you've got the steps to make it happen. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.